What is the ideal cooking time and temperature for spiral ham?
Hello, aspiring chefs and home cooks. Today, we're going to delve into the juicy, flavorful world of spiral ham. We'll be addressing the ideal cooking time and temperature to ensure you get the most succulent results. Let's dive in.
What is a spiral ham?
A spiral ham is a pre-cooked, pre-sliced ham that is cut in a continuous spiral fashion around the bone. This cut allows the ham to lay flat for serving, making it easy to separate individual slices.
How to preheat your oven?
Before we get to the ham, let's preheat the oven. Set your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. The lower cooking temperature will allow the ham to heat evenly without drying out.
Cooking time and temperature.
When it comes to cooking a spiral ham, low and slow is the way to go. The ideal temperature, as mentioned earlier, is 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. As for the cooking time, it's generally recommended to bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes per pound. So, if you have a 10-pound ham, you're looking at about 2 to 2.5 hours of cooking time. Remember, these hams are already cooked. We are just warming them up.
How to know when it's done?
You'll know your ham is perfectly cooked when it reaches an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. To get the most accurate reading, use a meat thermometer and insert it into the thickest part of the ham without touching the bone.
Resting time.
Once you've achieved the perfect temperature, it's time for the ham to rest. This is an important step, don't skip it. Let the ham rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the ham, resulting in moist and tender slices. And there you have it. Now you know the ideal cooking time and temperature for a spiral ham. Remember, the key to a delicious ham is a balance of low temperature and slow cooking. We hope you found this guide helpful, and that it brings you closer to achieving a perfectly cooked spiral ham. Happy cooking!